Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now? Set auto lock to never and enable low power mode to stabilize brightness and preserve battery. Open the clock app and pick world clock or bedtime so time stays visible. Once done, adjust screen brightness manually to a low, comfortable level. Make sure night shift is on to warm the color temperature. You want minimal blue light and steady illumination. This avoids screen dimming or sudden wake locks, and it sets the device to act as a reliable bedside clock through the night. Now refine display and interruptions. Reduce brightness to around 10–20% so the glow isn't harsh, and schedule night shift for warmer tones. Put your iPhone into Do Not Disturb or Sleep Focus and allow only alarms through. This prevents notifications from lighting the screen. Choose a high-contrast clock face or a black wallpaper to make numerals easy to read at a glance. Once these steps are configured, test an alarm and ensure sound and haptics behave as expected without waking up. Finish by running a short overnight test. Leave the clock app open for 30–60 minutes to confirm the screen remains on and brightness holds steady. Charge your iPhone on a cool surface and disable True Tone if colors shift. Make sure background app refresh isn't forcing sleep states. If the screen unexpectedly sleeps, immediately verify auto lock is set to never and that sleep focus isn't overriding display. If issues persist, reboot the phone. This troubleshooting tip solves most problems quickly, so your iPhone reliably serves as a night clock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.